side, please move all the way down so the doors can close behind. All the way there, everybody. Perfect. Excellent. All right, closing the doors. All right, Steven, take it away.
Hello, I'm Steven Spielberg, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to the E.T. adventure. But I'm afraid we don't have much time, so I'm going to cut right to the chase. E.T. needs your help. Now, we've just received an urgent message from E.T.'s teacher, Botanicus, calling for E.T. to come home right away. You see, a big problem has developed 3 million light years away on E.T.'s home world, the Green Planet. E.T.'s friends are in danger because their planet is dying. Remember what E.T.'s friends look like, because it's going to be up to you to help E.T. find them once we get him home. There's not a moment to lose, because only E.T.'s magic healing touch can save his friends and bring the planet back to health. E.T. must go home, and only you can help him. Ah, E.T. That's right, E.T. So why don't you show these people how we can get you back to the Green Planet? You and E.T. will be making your 3 million light year journey on these bikes, but don't worry, you don't have to pedal. But you will need an interplanetary passport. So before you leave with E.T., tell your first name to one of our assistants, and they'll give you your pass. Sounds like E.T.'s ready to go, so good luck, everyone. And remember, E.T.'s counting on you, and so am I. It's up to you to save this planet so that he may visit us again.
John?
I'm on my way to start like. That's all I needed.
All the creatures of the Green Planet are in grave danger. Our planet's life force is fading.
It's fine.
And all needs E.T.'s magic touch. People, heed my call. E.T. home.
Some kind of foreign hangout. Unit 3, we're not looking for kids. Really? Listen to this.
He's a man from outer space. Taking him to the spaceship. This is reality.
Roger, Unit 3, follow them kids. Safe bell.
Not where Sergeant be.
Roger, Unit 2. Could be one of our people with a flashlight.
Negative, mate. Unless he's about 3 feet tall, walks like a duck.
Roger, 2. Check it out.
I did his class, okay?
One spot where it's at.
I've never noticed. I'm too busy looking away from it. I don't really want Our local water parks, which much
How many?
One?
One column.
Okay.
How many?
Two for me. How many here?
One.
One. You're gonna be row 2 for me.
Okay.
How many here? 2 rows.
Okay, got it.
You guys? Those bags here, guys. I'm on the black one first. That bag as well, but just have the black one.
Do not reach out.
We've got some unauthorized people entering the base. Wait, they got ET.
They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off.
See, they're coming out. Follow straight, the orange light. I see them. Let's go. Hold it right there. Whoa!
Got him. Bottom of the hill.
They're getting away! Look, they're flying!
E.T. Go to Dignity. Hurry.
E.T. go home. Quickly. Ouch.
Welcome home. You can
Let go.
You have saved our planet! Come, celebrate with us!
Goodbye, Brady, Project Friend.
Previously, teenage arms and laser inside of you all times. Do not reach out.
Please remain seated, keeping hands and feet inside the vehicle until you are asked to exit.
Welcome back. Once again, remain seated, hands and feet inside the vehicle until it comes to a complete stop. Stand by then.
The Express isn't bad. They're like halfway.
I always look fun on the comments. I do not.